Hey Laura, what you doing?
I'm melting away. It is so hot this summer.
It is pretty hot this summer. But the good news is you're not actually melting.
I feel like it. Could I get some ice cream?
Ice cream is like 9:30 in the morning. But if we make our own ice cream for today's episode of Ask Me Anything Science Edition, I guess I could make an exception.
Yay!
Let's get started. Here's what you need. About a cup of half and half or cream. We're going to put that in this small Ziploc bag. We're going to add half a teaspoon of vanilla to that. Pour it over that, so just in case. A little bit more. All right, perfect. Thank you. And we'll put that in there too. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to this mix. And then we're going to seal up the bag. 1 and another one, please. 2. All right, now we're going to seal this bag. Make sure it's closed. All right, now in our big bag, we're going to take about 3 or 4 cups of ice and 1/3 of a cup of coarse salt. Now we're going to take our cream mixture, put it in the big bag, and close it up nice and tight. All right, closed? Okay.
So, what's the plan here exactly? Can't we just put this mixture in the freezer?
Well, we could, except that it wouldn't really give us the texture that we like in ice cream, and it takes a long time. I mean, think about how long it takes water to turn to ice when you want a nice cold drink. So we're going to speed things up because 1, we're a little impatient, and 2, the texture is actually nicer, smoother if it cools down quickly.
Cool, you get it? Because it's cold.
Right. So what we need is we want our warm substance, which is a liquid, to become a solid, so we want it to cool down. So we want to transfer some of the energy from the warm substance to big bag, which is the cold substance.
How do we do that?
Shake it, baby. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's see what we've got inside there. Looking like it's solid. Okay, you want to put it in a bowl here? Oh yeah, that's looking great. Okay, give that a try. What do you think?
Breakfast of champions.
Yeah, that's not going to be happening every day, just for for the record.
Why do we have to put salt in the ice?
Oh, good question. So when the ice comes out of the freezer, it's at -20 degrees Celsius, but it warms up really quickly. So if we didn't put salt in there, the ice would warm up all the way to 0 degrees Celsius, where it starts to melt and turn into water. So it would stay at about 0 degrees Celsius for a little while it transfers heat from the warmer cream into the mixture. If we add salt, the ice will warm up from -20 to about -3 or -4 with the salt in there. So we end up with the large bag containing a mixture of salt and ice and water at around -3, -4 degrees, which is a more efficient heat transfer from the warmer cream, and it cools down faster.
Efficient heat transfer is delicious.
And if we were at work, I'd be able to do it even faster with some liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen holds its temperature at about -200 degrees Celsius. So if we mixed the cream in with that, it would turn from a liquid to a solid almost instantly.
Wow. You guys could also try different flavors, like if you added some chocolate syrup to it, you can make chocolate ice cream. Happy National Ice Cream Day, and thanks for watching Ask Me Anything Science Edition.
Hello. Alright, so let's try to make ice cream. Some milk, some cream, some sugar, some salt, some vanilla extract, some gloves, a small and large Ziploc bag. I didn't have a very good ice cube tray, so I got a bowl and I froze ice in that bowl a few times. I'll go get the ice. This is the ice I'm going to be using. I recommend that you use an ice cube tray. It'll be a lot easier. This is really cool. I'm going to go break up this ice. 1 sec. It'll be 2 seconds. I promise. I won't be long. I'll be right back. Let me put on these gloves. We're off to a great start. How are these 2 left gloves? Alright, I'll be back. There's a bunch of... We take our small Ziploc bag and we're gonna put 1 cup of cream, 1 cup of milk, tablespoon of sugar, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Throw that in there. Vanilla extract. We'll do... Ooh, that smells very nice. 1. Whoops, 2, 3. Doesn't taste as good as it smells. I wouldn't try that. Our 1 cup of cream. Perfect. 1 cup of cream. Here, it's probably more interesting than I am. 1 cup of milk. There we go. I'm sure that'll all get mixed up nicely in the mixing process. Let's make sure this is closed very, very well. Otherwise, that will also be a disaster. Bit of a test. Alright, that looks safe. Put this in here to make sure there's enough room for it. And we'll start filling it up with ice, and then we'll add our salt. Alright, let's save some room to be able to shake. That is very cold. 8 tablespoons of salt. 1. This is not very exciting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, alright, 8. Make sure this is closed really well. And then we're gonna shake it for, what was it, 5 to 7 minutes? I'm just gonna do this for a while. How long ago did I start? Alright, should we try this out? What? Science. Check that out. Ice cream. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay. Some ice cream. That's pretty good. Some strawberry quick. Don't knock it till you try it. Put that on the gram right there. This is really good. I'd say, oh, I have brain freeze. I'd say it's a success.